All right, this Andy, aka the Fishing Hoosier. I'm out here on the lake. It's Saturday, Memorial Day weekend. Really got pretty calm waters, clear skies, only about 2-mile-an-hour winds. So we do have a lot of recreational boats on the other end of the lake, so I'm going to be a little bit limited here. Let's get out there, see about finding some fish. I'll see about making y'all a fine video. Hang in there, and I'll see you in a minute. All right, we already started finding our first fish here. I like the way this looks. So I can get them on focus here for you. You can see that screen just lights up in a lot of different directions. Let's see what we can get about catching those guys. All right, going with the Crappie Magnet Blow Pop again because I've had a lot of success with that lately. Let's see about catching some of these fish though. Come on guys, don't be afraid. I'm gonna get a little closer to them, 15 feet maybe. Come on guys, yeah, we got one already. What do we got here? There we go, there's a nice crappie to start today. My goodness, first cast, first fish. That's not bad. We will keep it. But that's a good sign. At the very first cast, we hooked a decent. There's another one. These guys are hungry ass. I don't know. We may need to start. That's going to be too small. I think that one goes probably. That one probably goes 7. Not even going to measure it. Get bigger fish net somewhere. Oh, here comes a jet ski to mess me up. 2 casts, 2 fish, and I get lucky again. Seems to be about 6 to 8 feet deep. Yeah, I'm gonna be off of them. Oh, got one. Here we go. Not a big one, but we'll throw it back. So I really do like the way this is going, though, to start out. Hey, come on, fish, give me my hook. There we go. Back he goes. We got some a little ways out. Three casts, 3 fish. Got that one? Yep. That one's better than the last 2. That's definitely a keeper. That's a nice crappie right there. That is definitely keep worthy. That one goes 10 or 11. And here's the waves from those jet skis. Gotta love them. Got him? Yep. Let's see if he's worth his fight. Yep. Good thick one. Good hook set. There we go. Yeah, I got to keep that one anyway. I cut him up a little bit. Well, he did it himself, really. Now they're back their ways. All right, let's try back. Let's try behind us. I'm not casting accurately like that, but maybe something will be there. Yep, got him. Still small. He is small. Back he goes. That's a small one. We're not going to mess with that school if that's what's in there. I don't like sardines. That's what that basically amounts to. There's one on there. I don't know how big that is. I think we're going to start measuring these to make sure we're not over judging size, because I got a tendency to do that. And then I get back to the dock and I start measuring stuff and I'm disappointed. So I get my ruler. Let's see what we got. How big are you, feller? All right. That's actually, I don't know if you can see this or not, but get my camera down there. This guy's actually 10 inches on the spot. Just right there. His bottom lip's touching at 10 inches. So, keep it. Gotta let that sink for a second. Got him? Yep. Too small. I mean, that one goes probably, might go 9, but it's a skinny 9. The way things going, I don't need 9s. Got one already? Yeah, he's a little guy. Oh my goodness. A itty bitty baby. Oh crap. Little guy going back. Come on, I need bigger fish than that, fellas. Kind of on the bottom here. Let's see if I can get him to bite. Got one? Yep. Here we go. Okay, small. We're going to move on. There wasn't a big enough group to mess with tiny ones. They look better on a live scope than that, though. Got one there? Yep. Yeah, we'll measure that one. I think it's probably 8.5, 9, but I could be... Yeah, I'm going to measure it. That's not... See there on the live scope. Can't focus too long or I'll get caught without rolling in. It'll get hung up. I mean, a small guy. Come on, big fish. Show up. That one, yep. Big gads. I may have to move on a couple more of those, and I won't believe there's big fish, and I won't believe my live scope. There we go. That one, yep. Ah, come on, where are the big ones? Come on. That one, yep. Yeah, he swallowed it. I gave him too much time. Up he goes. Come here, you. Back in the water. Ah. Got one now? Yeah, that feels better. Yeah, it's not as good as I was hoping it would be. We'll check the size just in case, but... Yeah, it looks like... it's a throwback. I don't want to bother measuring it. Yeah, here's a little update so far. I've only been fishing for about 20 minutes. And so far, I got 4 in the bucket for keepers. I've thrown back a dozen smaller ones, I think. But the bite's amazing right now. I'm really shocked because lately it's been a lot of small fish. So catching these keepers is a nice way to go. So hang in there and we'll keep fishing because I can't stop now. It's consistent. They're in anywhere from 8 to 12 feet deep, and they're... I'd be careful. There's a lot of branches over there, but there's a lot of fish too. There's a hit. I wasn't ready for it. Oh, fish. Let's rock and roll, baby. There they are, over that way. Oh, don't look very big. We'll see. Maybe there'll be a big one mixed in there. Maybe those might be bluegill. They and crappie might be a little further in towards shoreline. I mean, they're trying to get this. They're swimming with it and biting at it. There's something. Oh, that feels good. Oh, it's... Oh. What do we got here? Oh, he's swimming and everything. That is a monster crappie. Oh my God. Oh my God. That is massive. Oh my. Yeah, it's going home with me. Man, what a fish. What a fish. It's bleeding all over my boat too. That's just the way it goes sometimes. But you, my friend, are picture worthy. Indeed. Shit. How big is it? Thing's gonna go 15 and a half. Take it home though. There's some little fish, come here. Oh, and swallowed it. Yep, coughed it up. There we go, there's fish. Come here, bud. Yeah, come here, you ugly little thing. Man, it's our first other species today. Yeah, very small fish. Come here, you. Crappie, going back. Yep, nah, small guy. Little goes back. Come on, got it? He's got it. There's keeper. There is another slab. I like the way this is going. It's not like the last one, but that one is no joke. I'm here. There we go. Yep, here's our update. It has not been a bad day at all. I mean, I got one that's right at 16. I got a bunch of 11 and 13s. I think I might have about 10 in a bucket, but they are all quality fish. I cannot complain. They're really hitting that glow pop lure. I've had a lot of luck with that lately, but I'm glad when the big fish start hitting it too. And they're, you know, like 8 to 12 feet of water, and they've been hungry. So that's your update. I'm gonna get back to fishing. I hope to have a good video for you folks when I'm done. See you in a bit. I might as well measure this. Thinking it goes pretty decent. Let's see where it's at. 12 and a half. Oh, one came for it. Got it, yeah. Another keeper. Another keeper. Well, it looks small compared to the other ones, though. No, but it is a keeper. Stay in there. God, I swallowed a bunch of fish water. Damn it. That one, yep. Come here. I'll throw you back. It probably goes 9, I'd say. Maybe. But I don't know for sure. Let's just check, just for kicks. 9 inches. That one, yep. I don't feel very big. It's not. There's bigger fish than that in that little school. Not sure why he was hanging with the big dogs, but he's a snack for a lot of them. Oh, fish. I'm gonna get this little right to you. He's trying. He's trying. He's got it. Yeah, he's got it. Yeah. I don't know. That one might go. I don't know how big that one is, but I don't think I need to keep it. But I'll see how big it is anyway. That one goes another 9-inch fish. We're getting ready to get over here to some structure that I want to fish. This structure in a little deeper water. Good place to get hung up, but if you catch fish in there, we might find some big ones. We'll see. It's also starting to get dark. Oh, there's some nice fish. Let's see. You know, they're nice till they split up. There's one. Not very big. When I thought they were nice, they were so close together they looked like one fish. Got it? Yeah, you got it. Come here. Yeah, I don't know how big this is. This might go. If it's over 9, I might keep it. I don't know. It is 9.5. Actually good enough. Come here. A nice little school of fish if I can get to them. That's not what I wanted. I don't want that at all. I don't even like your kind of fish. Ow, stop it. That's why. I can want it. Something on it. Is it on there? It's on there. It's not very big. Yeah, a little bigger than I thought it would be. Just followed it too. There, I put my. There we go. Back it goes. Like I said, I don't need it. Got one, yeah. Little guy. Well, that's not really that little. Yep. It goes 9. Back in the water. Got one, yeah. That's, oh my God, that's tiny. Alright, time to quit. I got smaller as the day went, but that's okay. Stop. Last one of the day. Yep. All right, folks. That's it for the day. Really cannot complain with some of the fish I caught. It was a beautiful day out on the lake. It's a beautiful evening, but my navigation light don't work, so I need to get back to my dock. I mean, I don't think there's any DNR out here, but I like to follow the rules anyway. Hey, I hope you enjoy watching this as much as I enjoyed fishing it, but I don't know if that's possible. Until next time, folks, from the Fishing Hoosier, tight lines, fair fishing, and I'll see you soon. And this is how you enjoy your trip back to the dock, folks. I got a mug of coffee. It's nice out here. It's nice and quiet, and it is cooled off. This is just an awesome way to go back to the dock. So slow and sure, have some coffee, and definitely enjoy the scenery that Mother Nature gave us today. Once again, I'll talk to you later.